Let's learn about shapes. Circle. Things that are circle shaped. Donut, ball, clock. Rectangle. Things that are rectangle shaped. Envelope, door, cards. Triangle. Things that are triangle shaped. Yield sign, pizza, traffic cone. Square. Things that are square shaped. Dice, chessboard, window. Heart. Things that are heart shaped. Gift box, lollipop, and sunglasses. Pentagon. Things that are pentagon shaped. Birdhouse, pedestrian crossing sign, kennel. Diamond. Things that are diamond shaped. Kite, trowel, earrings. Oval. Things that are oval shaped. Balloon, egg, and mirror. Star. Things that are star shaped. Starfish, wand, ornament. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.